Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Prius Technology AWD-e. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in midnight black. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 15-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and your backup camera. Why don't we hop inside this Prius and see what else it has to offer. So to hop inside, we got our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are panic button on the bottom. If you got your key fob in your pocket, all you got to do, put your hand right in there. This Prius does have a smart key system. On the bottom of the door, you have some nice storage space. And above it, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. All weather mats equipped in this one. And on the bottom, you do have your manual seat adjusters. So now let's just start this Prius up. It is a push to start, foot on the brake, press that power button right there. And that vehicle will just fire up. And then in the center, you'll get this nice little animation. So let's move on to our steering wheel. First, we're going to look on the left side. These arrows will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center here that we just looked at. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. Moving to the right, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display right in the center up top, like so. Below that, you have your heated steering wheel, lane departure assist, and dynamic cruise control, as well as behind the wheel you have your cruise control speed settings. Now let's move on to our giant screen in the center here. Right now it's got the split screen going with the climate control and the map. This, if we just press that, that'll enlarge. This Prius does have navigation, which is very nice. If we go ahead and press menu, you can see you have your different options here as well as phone. If we go ahead, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Now let's just go back and view our climate control settings. Very basic, nothing complicated. On the right here, you do have your temperature options. Backup camera equipped as well. There it is up top. You get those nice guidelines. Now let's move under the screen here. Shifter, drive modes. You got this nice little wireless charger here. You put your phone on there and that'll charge up, no cables. Just make sure that button is on. Behind that, you have your driver and passenger heated seats, two cup holders, 12-volt outlet, as well as a USB and auxiliary. Let's open up our glove box here. Opens to the side like that. You got this nice little shelf up top, and inside there's lots of room as well. Let's close that up. Last thing we're going to look at is the glove box. Opens up. It's nice and simple in there. Just close that right up. So before we hop into cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door, you have some storage space just like the driver's side. All weather mats here as well. Behind the driver and passenger front seats, you do have this nice little storage compartment. And in here, if we just pull that tab down, got nice little cup holders in the center, as well as a nice little armrest. And that just goes back in like that. So to open up, all you got to do is press this button right under the Toyota emblem, and that'll come up nice and easy. We've got this little cover going right now. All you got to do is just pull this towards yourself, up, and that'll retract backwards. Lots of room in here. Of course, we have the folding seats that do go down in case you need an extra bit of room. And lastly, underneath here, if we just pull that up, you got lots of space underneath here. Just put this back now. So to close up, we got this nice little handle here. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Prius Technology AWD-e. Once again, some of your great interior features include your hands-free calling, Bluetooth audio, heated seats, and navigation. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.